Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I'll be recording this in the evening here on a Saturday evening where I got some time. Hopefully we'll see if the kids pop in or not, but I thought I'd do something a little bit different today. As you know, I've been trying to do a little bit different content here and there to see what's going to gain traction, because I have been doing this now for over 10 years now, about 10 and a half years, and I think the channel could do better, so I have to try to switch it up to see what's going to kind of, do better here on YouTube. Anyway, give me some feedback. I'm going to on my recording here. Tell me what you guys think. Whatever it is, just hit it in the comments section below. All right. So today, what I'm going to talk about is my year of 2023. Now, I run 100% legitimate business. All the proper registration, insurance, everything's like that, everything I need to run it properly, to work for homeowners and so on, doing residential construction here for tile work. And I'm going to go through basically what I have softwares to keep track of things. One thing I use, which is called the CRM, and that just stands for Client Retention Management. What it is it's a software where you could track leads with all their information, and then you have different ways you can track things. So I pretty much track as much as I can as far as where the leads are coming from, how many leads I get each month, the lead source, the wins, the sales I win, sales I lose. So I'm gonna go through the whole 2023 on the CRM and just share with you real world data. 90% of contractors don't keep track of this. I would say I'm in the top 5 or 10% of contractors that do things, properly, you could say, to run a legitimate business and really see what's working and what's not working and whatnot. But everyone, does things differently. I like using the CRM. It really helps me track things and see what's working. So I'm going to get started here with 2023. I have my CRM pulled up. I'm going to start with how many leads I got each month, and I kind of go from there. So let's see here. January, I have, now that said, in the years past I've had way more leads than this. It's kind of dropped off a lot since 2021 I had almost 300 leads, for example. Then 2022 was less, then 2023 was even less than that. But anyway, January I had 12 leads. Let's see, February. See if I can find February here. Let's see, February. February I had 8 leads. March I had 12 leads. April I had 11 leads. May I had 12 leads. It seems for some reason when it comes to June time, it always gets slower with leads. Guess when kids are getting out of school and whatnot. But June I had 8 leads. July it shot up to 23 leads in July. Then August I had 11 leads. August 11, September I had 11. Gotta find October I had 12. November I had 10, and then December I only had 8 leads. Now I'm gonna kind of go through the lead sources, each one of them. I had 78. Well, let me start over here. The lead sources. So I had 76 leads from Google. That was my highest lead source. Then I had 3 from Facebook, 4 from YouTube. Instagram I had 2, and then I had 5 referral leads. And then I'm a CTI, and they have their own website, the Ceramic Tile Education Foundation. I got 2 leads from that. Let's see. Website I got 13. One of my suppliers I got 1. Let's see, my wrap on my truck got me 3 leads. Let's see where else I got some leads from. Then I did some advertising. Over the summer, I got some advertising on Facebook. I had 9 leads from that. 1 lead from a tile store, a different one here in Jersey. That's all the lead sources I had that had leads. I have some other sources here, but there's no leads from them. So that was that. Then I'm gonna go over like how I kind of track things about how I screen my clients. Some of them I'll do email screening, I'll just track it, or I do a phone screened, or if they're a prospect I didn't get to screen them at all, I kind of track that too. So I email screened 42 leads. I have 3 prospects still that are just floating. Nothing happened with them. I have 78 phone call screen leads. So 78 of them I screened over the phone. Then let's see here. I did some other things here to try to track things. And then I was kind of going back and forth. I usually would charge for consult fees in the past almost every time, but this year I really kind of went back and forth with that. Seeing was kind of working and whatnot. I lowered my consult fee too. And you know, if the job is real close, I go most times. But I still have to have a phone call with the client. I have to screen them somewhat, see where they're at before I kind of go there. So it really depends on the project if I'm going to, you know, charge the consultation fee in the distance. So I had 6 paid consult fees, and I had 7 non-paid consult fees. So that was that. And then let's see what I got next here. I can tell you guys. So as far as leads that I won, that I know for sure, it was 9. I won only 9 leads, and I lost for sure 58 leads. So 8 of them, or 9, I won. So 9 projects the whole year of 2023 that I won. I think I did 9. I think I did, yeah, 8 or 9 in 2023, and then I lost 58. So the total amount of leads I have, I think, was about 135 or 136. Moving into this year, where I'm recording this in 2024, I'm actually going to have a line here where I track the total amount of leads along with everything else I've been tracking. So that's been the story. You know, let me look back to 2023, 22. In 2022, I had about 180, 190 leads, so a little bit more, and I lost. I didn't track as thoroughly as far as lost sales, but I won for sure here. I'm looking through here. Let's see. I won 8, so I won about this, pretty much the same or so, because I won 9 in 2023. I won 8 total projects in 2022, so I got less leads, and I really sold the same amount of jobs. The big difference is that there were a lot smaller jobs I did in 2023, which made my revenue, you know, one of the worst I've ever had since 2018, which was even less than that. But I was still able to get by, and I'm still kind of struggling this year. It's still rough with everything going on. The economy is kind of low, at least I can say from my perspective, the economy has been very bad for where I'm at. I have less leads, same amount of sales with less leads, but smaller projects. So seems like I sold better 2023. I just didn't sell the same size jobs with the higher revenue, because there are a lot of smaller jobs. So every year I kind of track things more thoroughly and so on. But yeah, so that was 2023 for you guys. This year I'm going to be kind of tracking things a little bit. I'm adding the line here for total leads, so I can really know how much I'm doing. And I just wanted to tell you guys that this is real reality for being a contractor. I'm a tile and bath contractor here in central New Jersey, the Spotswood area. I pretty much go with like a 50-mile radius or so of where I'm at here in Spotswood, New Jersey. This is the real world data. I'm not fluffing this up. A lot of guys, again, don't know where they're getting most of their leads and with selling and whatnot. Actually, let me tell you right now, like with the jobs that I did sell, I'll tell you where you know, which ones I actually won. So I won about 8, 9 projects. There's one on the top here that's 1 from Google, 2 from Google, 3 from Google, 4 from Google, 5 from Google, 6 from Google and YouTube from the year prior, 7 from Google. Yeah, everything that I won on this was from Google. The 9th project that I did sell, I actually recently did it, but I did sell it in 2023, was a referral from a previous client I did like 5 years ago. So all the jobs that I sold, well, 8 of them out of 9 were from Google leads. So yeah, that was that. So Google, a little bit they watch some of the YouTube, but mainly they started from Google. But anyway, that's what I got. That's the real world data. If you guys like this kind of video, this type of content, me sharing with you what it's really like and the real data from a contractor like me, owner operator, one-man show, at least for now. We'll see what happens in the future. You know, this is what I do for my bread and butter. This is my main business. This is my livelihood. This is everything. This is not something I do on the side. This is everything for me. So you got to keep on trucking here. So if you guys like this kind of content, please let me know. Put it in the comments section below, and maybe I'll do a monthly or so you know, data update of how leads are going, how sales are going, where the leads are coming from, and whatnot. And if you like this kind of content, you know, I could even go as far as you know, how it's going on sales calls with people and so on. But anyway, thanks guys for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Donnie D signing off.
Premium increases for the National Flood Insurance Program